This is how you get into the service menu of a Siemens Heat Pump Dryer. The model is a WT46WT590, and you just have to move the knob to 6 o'clock, then press this button and move it to 7 o'clock. Hold on. Let's move to 7 o'clock. Then you just release the button and you see that you can choose a test program by moving the knob to position 1 and so on. And you choose the program by pressing start, stop. So if you have any errors in the device, you go to program 1 and press start. And then you see that there is no error. And when you're finished using the test program, you just turn the dryer off. That's it.